Tired of hedge trimming headaches? Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to effortless trimming with the WORX WG261 Cordless Hedge Trimmer. The WORX WG261 20V PowerShare 22 Cordless Hedge Trimmer is designed for homeowners, gardeners, and DIYers. It offers a lightweight, powerful, and convenient solution for maintaining hedges and shrubs. This trimmer features a 22-inch dual-action blade for efficient cutting. It also boasts a comfortable D-Grip Handle and a PowerShare Battery system. The WORX WG261 is lightweight at only 5.5 lbs, reducing fatigue during extended use. Its dual-action blades provide clean cuts on both forward and return strokes. The PowerShare Battery is compatible with over 75 other WORX tools. The D-Grip Handle allows for comfortable trimming at any angle. It can handle branches up to 3 to 4 inch thick. The trimmer is designed to absorb vibration for a more comfortable experience. Customers rave about the WORX WG261's ease of use and maneuverability. Many appreciate its lightweight design and impressive battery life. Users report that it cuts through hedges and small tree branches with ease. The clear instructions and good value for money are also frequently mentioned. Simply charge the battery and attach it to the trimmer. Use the D-Grip handle to comfortably maneuver the trimmer. Engage the safety lock and trigger to start trimming. Maintain a steady pace for even cuts. Remember to clean the blades after each use for optimal performance. Store the trimmer in a dry place. While there are other hedge trimmers on the market, the WORX WG261 stands out for its cordless convenience and PowerShare compatibility. It offers a balance of power, weight, and ease of use. Compared to gas-powered trimmers, it's quieter, lighter, and requires less maintenance. It's also a cleaner alternative, eliminating the need for fuel or oil. The WORX WG261 is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to simplify their hedge trimming tasks. Its lightweight design, powerful cutting ability, and cordless convenience make it a top choice. Ready to ditch the cords and make yard work easier? Click the link to check the latest price and purchase the WORX WG261 on Amazon. Transform your garden maintenance routine today. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful reviews and DIY tips.